This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so the question is, how do I get rid of the Powered by Shopify tag in my footer or anywhere else in my site? And there's a couple ways to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it both ways. So the first way is you're going to go into your themes, and then you're going to go to Actions and Edit Languages. And some of you might have, in this category, you might have header and footer. You would also go to Footer, and in the credits, all you would need to do is put a space in the input text, and that's it. Okay? Also, what you can do is go to Filter and just type in Powered. All right. And this is going to show me Checkout and System Links Powered by Shopify. Put a space in here. And you can also remove it from your password page as well. All right. And then all you need to do is click Save. All right. And I'm going to refresh this page. Awesome. And you can see that the Powered by Shopify has been removed. Another way that you can do that is you need to go back to your themes, go to Actions, and go to Edit Code. It takes a little bit to load because there's a lot of files back here. All right, and we're just going to type in footer into the search files. All right, so we're going to go to Sections, Footer Liquid. And in this, we're just going to, on my Mac anyway, I'm going to go Command F to bring up my search and type in Powered by Shopify. And what this would do, it would bring in a bunch of different tags that say Powered by Shopify. And all you would need to do is get rid of all those tags that say Powered by Shopify, and it will be removed. Obviously, I don't have them in here right now because I've already removed them from my editing through the languages. So you can do it either way. Usually, or in my preference, I believe that editing languages is the easiest way to go about it. Hope that helps, and have a great day.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.